Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I have another haul for you guys. This haul is a Zara haul, and I picked up a lot of good stuff for winter there. They had some pretty good winter fall pieces, so I grabbed just a few, and if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, then definitely keep watching and let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this really cute shearling trucker jacket. I think it's kind of getting washed out by the lights, but I just think it's so cute. It's super soft and it has this nice blend of like fur with canvasy type denimish type material. I got this in a size small and it definitely fit pretty good. I really like the length of it. It's like this cute cropped length. The sleeves are still full length and everything, but it hits like right above your jeans. I've really been into this creamy neutral color. I don't know why, but it's just been capturing my attention. My eyes just automatically go to it. I just feel like it's such a classic but chic and like sleek looking color. It's just really cute. You can do off the shoulder, on the shoulder. There's a lot of different ways you can do this and make it look good. This next piece is one of my favorite things that I got. It's this organza cardigan. And honestly, not gonna lie, when I first saw this cardigan, I was like, that is so extra, ew. But the more I looked at it, the cuter it got. It gives me the perfect classy bougie vibes. I feel my bougiest form when I wear this. Like, look at it. The sleeves are so big and so pretty, and I love this color. Like, this color of yellow is just so pretty to me. It's like light and dainty. I just thought it was super duper cute. Not even just because of the color. The organza really does like make it pop, you know what I mean? It's crazy because at first I really didn't, but then now it's just really grown on me. It's just so cute. Next up, I got this kind of fuzzy green, sage green, oversized sweater. I was really into the texture of the sweater. I like the knitting on it. Sometimes you'll get sweaters and the knitting will just look like really cheap. This knitting looks really nice, and I just really was into it. I like the sleeve detailing on the bottom. It's like more close knit down here and more close knit around the neck. And it definitely is oversized, but I still did get my size and it fits pretty good. I just tucked it into my jeans. If you are like not into oversized stuff, I just would go a size down because it definitely is oversized. I like this sweater is bigger, but it didn't fit boxy. One thing I do have to say about this sweater is it is so itchy. Do you guys remember that episode of SpongeBob where he made Squidward the sweater with eyelashes? That's this sweater in green. It's like so itchy. So you definitely have to wear a shirt or something underneath or just like deal with the itching. I love the fit, the color, everything about it overall. It's just that itching thing just is like, it's the one con, you know what I mean? But isn't it cute, like color-wise? Next, I got this really cute belted blazer. I'm in love with it, like fully obsessed with this blazer. I love the color. I told you I'm really big into creams. It's an obsession. So I really love the color, and I think these shoulder pads are like the perfect touch. They really make it look so structured and just really more expensive and tailored than it was. Then it has this belt right here, which does cinch your waist and make you look really snatched. This one is definitely cute, and they're just such a good thick quality material that it makes it worth it. Like, this is so thick. So this is like a black leather jacket, they called it. I think it's more of like a textured shirt. Honestly, I wouldn't wear this as a coat outside. It's just not, it's not thick enough for that. I got it in a size small and it fit really well. I really like this belt here. I think it adds more of like a what waist kind of moment, you know what I mean? I really like that. And I like that the buttons match. I like that they didn't go with any other color of button. Like, the button blends in perfectly with the shirt and it just makes it look really uniform and just seamless. I really like that. The leather is like a really good material for it to be faux leather. It doesn't feel like cheap. It just feels like really soft and creamy, which I also really like. It's not short, so it does look good when you pull the belt. There's like a bunch of different things you can do with it. It's really cute, and I really think leather is perfect for winter. It will keep you warm. By no means is it a full jacket, but it definitely will be a thicker layer for you to have on, so I think it's perfect. Okay, so I also got this corduroy shirt, and I got this in a size small, It definitely is oversized, so if you're not into the oversized look, size down. I thought it fit pretty well. You can wear it open or you can wear it closed and like tuck it in or tuck a side in, tuck the front in, and just kind of make it your own. I think it fit pretty good. I'm really into textured shirts in the winter time. I really like suede shirts or just any of those textures. I just think they like elevate your outfits and make them look less, for lack of a better word, basic. I like the contrasting color buttons, like the darker buttons on the front looks really good to me. It also gives you a little more warmth in your winter outfits. Instead of just putting on something really thin, like this will give you another layer. It's like a basic that you can have around for a while. Like, is corduroy ever gonna go out of style? Probably not. I thought this was a good choice. I really like how it fits. I like the length and the shape of it. I think it's gonna be really nice. Next, I have these suede mid-rise leggings. And I really do like these leggings. They feel super duper soft. It kind of feels like microfiber in a sense. If you've ever felt like a microfiber couch, this is what this reminds me of. It's really soft, and they're a really pretty taupey brown color. I thought these were pretty different than like a leather legging or something like that, so I figured, why not? I got them in a size small, and overall I really do like them. They don't have any fastenings in the front, so like all your fastening goes on this side zipper down here, which keeps the front looking really smooth and just kind of flawless. I like this zipper that they have on the side. They have like this cute zipper detail, so you can even open them up a little more if you're going for like the flared open leg look. They aren't long enough for me personally, but I think with heels they'll look good. If you're, I want to say like under 5'5" or 5'5" and below, these should be good, but if you're around 5'9", 5'8", they're a little short. If that's your thing, then sure, but for me personally, they're a little too short. Next up, I got these cream leather leggings, and I got these in a size medium. So I have some black leather leggings very similar to this from another store, and I'm really in love with them. I figured, why not get these? I love the black one so much, why not try cream? And honestly, they were worth it. They're really pretty, and they feel like a really nice material. I like that they don't have pockets or anything in the front or the back. They're just pretty simple, and they zip up the bottom if you want to unzip them and do them with like a cute heel or something like that. I think that's when they would look best. I just feel like they're like a nice spin on a classic staple black leather legging, and they'll help you switch it up by still keeping like that same style. I just thought they were pretty cute. I sized up because I know last time I got some leggings from Zara, they were really small, and I don't regret getting a medium. I think they fit perfect. Okay, so next I got this really simple mock neck turtleneck. I actually just wore this yesterday. If it looks really wrinkled, that's why. This was such a good deal. It was only $20. I found it in special prices. If you don't check Zara special prices, you definitely should, because sometimes stuff looks crazy that they're trying to get rid of, but sometimes it's like really cute stuff in there. Like, this was just a really simple basic that I felt like was definitely worth $20. I also like the mock neck on this. It kind of spices up regular basic crew neck necklines. Not really into that style, so I thought this would give me a little more spice to just a classic black basic. And I got this in a size small, and it is a little short. Like, if I stretched wearing it yesterday, and like my whole midriff was out, full belly button, but I think it's pretty cute, so I'm glad I spent the $20 on. Okay, so one of the things I did end up getting is some sweatpants. I've searched high and low for the perfect pair. I was looking for ones that weren't baggy, that were a good length, and that were a good material, and it honestly is so hard. Everything is baggy, or it just has like a weird fitting around your ankle. So I found these two just randomly at Zara, and they were perfect. So I got this tan color, and then I also got this gray color. And I think they're both just really nice neutral colors. What really drew me to them was the ankles. You can roll them down like this. This is how they're supposed to be worn. Like this, with this cute little cuff at the bottom. But I unrolled mine, and now it's just this longer piece right here, so it goes all the way down to my ankle, and it fits perfectly right above sneakers. It's just so cute. I also like that they have this drawstring, and the drawstring is the same color as the pants. I could say the only downside to both of them is that they don't have matching tops. So, I mean, that's an easy fix. You can just find another shirt to go with them, but it would be nice if they did have some. Everybody wants a sweatpant that they can wear that is like more athleisure and less like, I didn't try. This is definitely that. These are it. I really like them. They're really cute. Well, that's it for this Zara haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to drop a comment and let me know which piece was your favorite. As always, don't forget to subscribe and stop by next time, as I always drop a new video, and I would hate for you to miss something new.